For weeks, the mist clung to these rails in silence, waiting for the rhythm of the wheels to return. The hill country of Sri Lanka has always been a place of resilience, where nature's beauty commands respect and admiration. But today, the silence is broken. We are proud to announce that as of today, December 20th, 2025, the heartbeat of the Highlands, the Upland Railway, is officially beating once again. The historic line between Badulla and Ambewela is open for the world. Reconnecting the major heritage hubs of the Uva province, this reopening marks a pivotal moment for Sri Lankan tourism. Travelers can once again marvel at the engineering wonder of the Demodara Loop and cross the skies on the Nine Arches Bridge. For those journeying further, Ambewela, often called Little New Zealand for its cool climate and dairy farms, now serves as the primary gateway. To ensure your journey is seamless, a new dedicated shuttle bus service is now in operation. These shuttles connect Ambewela directly to the colonial charm of Nuwara Eliya. Within minutes, you can transition from the rails to the heart of Little England, making the travel experience smoother than ever before. The renowned Ella Odyssey is resuming operations immediately, bringing world-class luxury to these tracks. Designed specifically for the wanderlust traveler, this train pauses at the most scenic viewpoints, allowing you to capture memories that will last a lifetime. For those who prefer a rhythm to their ride, the Calypso train service is also back as soon as possible. With its open-deck carriages and live music, the Calypso turns the journey into a celebration of island life. There is truly no better way to breathe in the fresh mountain air than with a song in your heart and the green hills rolling by. We understand that safety is the first question on every traveler's mind. We want to reassure our global family that Ella, along with all key tourism zones in the region, has been declared fully safe. Visitors from every corner of the globe are already here, discovering that the warmth of Sri Lankan hospitality is the one thing that never changes. From all of us here in paradise, we welcome tourists from around the world to Sri Lanka. Come, be part of our story.